Alright, quick little yard run today. I'm actually going to try to grab some parts for my Blazer. But yeah, we're at AE Monado again. If you remember from last time. Quick video, like I said. I'm not particularly looking for many parts for my Blazer because I still haven't put the transmission in it. And you might be asking, if you haven't done a transmission job, why are you buying interior parts and stuff for it? Well, if push comes to shove and and the transmission doesn't work out, and I absolutely have to sell it for bottom dollar or at an auction, it's nicer if there's like nothing broken or ripped on the inside. I have a lot more of a chance to either break even or make like 50 bucks off of it, so it's worth it. Just came in, already in old S10. Nothing on the interior. Envoy. See, this is new. This wasn't here before. Always looking at the Trailblazer variants. See if I got anything I need. Whoa, big ass speaker. But no, nothing I would need in this thing. Nice little seats. But way up. Nothing I need. We'll keep on going. Stuff back here. Not too much though. Pretty cleared out compared to last time. Here's another Envoy. Take a look at this one. Looks like someone stole the... Well, they didn't steal, they took the wheel off. Yeah, probably. This one... Wait, Isuzu? No, they replaced the airbag, that's why. That was funny. I was looking in here, I was like, hold up. No, this ain't no Isuzu. Got the tan seats. Got some nice Cabela's floor mats, actually. That's actually really nice. Does that have a full set? I don't care that they're tan. I would put that in mine. Just to have it. U-Haul hitch as well. That's rotted in there. What we got back here? Nothing. Let's see what this side is. This side's got the mats too. No, this side definitely had the mat at one point, you can tell. Yeah, and the whole back doesn't have any mats. But honestly, this is kind of nice. I don't know, it's practically a WeatherTech. It's tan, so it would not go with my interior at all. And it's not a set, so I'm probably not going to get it. Keep my eyes out for something else. Eventually I'll come across a good set of WeatherTechs for the Trailblazer. People come through here and leave all these doors open, like, why? This is a good interior, and it's probably going to get messed up because someone just leaves a door open to let water in. Look, all that water there. Hello. Judging by the fact that this is essentially a Ford Escape, that was probably coming through the sunroof, so I can't really complain about that. But close the doors, it's not too hard. Nothing for sale in here. Let's see. Looks like that for sale sign's been on forever. Disgusting. No smoking. It looks like it's been smoked in for sure. It's got keys? No, no keys. They moved a wide majority of the SUVs over there, which could be the case. This looks like the only Jimmy they've got. I don't know what this is doing. This is the one that I took the speakers out for Hannah. Had to bust this window. Yeah, this is the only one they've got, which really sucks. Although I still might be able to get a part off of it. If I need a black bumper, I could do that. Oh, what the heck? Does this latch not work? It's not electronic, I know that. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it does have this. This little piece I could use for the Blazer. Mine is broken off, and this one seems to be in good shape. So I might do that. I need that rear black piece, but mine is a tailgate one, so that's not going to work. But yeah, I guess I'll grab this thing while I'm here today, if I don't get anything else. What is that? That looks like it'll clean off. Spoke too soon. They still got this Blazer, which is the one I need. I need a grill, but I'm not doing this one. This has the old Vortec motor in it, so that's essentially the motor mine was supposed to have without the spider injectors, but mine's got the newer one with newer parts. Tan interior, so that's not going to help me any anyway. Yeah, not at all. I can check the speakers. Although, no, I think my speakers work. Seat's blown out the same spot mine is. And of course, it's tan back there, so it doesn't have the right rear trim that I need. That sucks. It's gonna be a real quick trip. I might honestly try to run somewhere else. I don't know. Yeah. And of course, that's not even gonna open because it's power. Yeah. Now we're in the car section. This is quite upsetting. This was for sale last time I was here. Guess they didn't sell it. Because now it's in the yard. I don't think it had a key. I knew it was in pretty rough shape, but still, that's pretty upsetting. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna head over there quickly, see what kind of cars they got, and then run over to the truck section and see if any more of the SUVs are in there. We moved some SUVs back here. Here's a Blazer. It's the Trailblazer edition. Yeah, Trailblazer. That's actually really cool. I never noticed that. It is a pretty cool trim. But, yeah. This one had the center caps I needed, but they ain't here anymore. But I think it's got the bumper I'd need. Oh, that sucks. That really sucks. That's like the only rusted part on this truck, is that. The rest of the body's solid. Yeah, right here. Alright, well, it wasn't a complete waste of time. I got that little trim piece that I need for mine. This place has really changed. I mean, they don't have a lot of cars now. A lot of their cars are gone, so not much of a supply. And I tried to get that thing off of them. I took it up to the cash register, and the guy's like, yeah, $20. I was like, whoa, hell no. For a U-Pullet yard, that's insane pricing for a trim piece. If I went to Harry's or any of the big name ones, it's $5 a piece for that stuff. You're paying, you know, any trim piece, it's going to be $5 a piece, whether it's this dash bezel, vents, obviously not an airbag, that'll be about $20. Like parts that are like worth $20 at a U-Pullet yard, a steering wheel, radio, climate controls, like electronic parts, not that. So I said, look, I normally pay $5 for these things. I get if you want me to pay a bit more. This yard's in a more of an upscale area. So I said, and then I was like, 7, I can do 7. And then he's like, well, I really can't go lower than 10. And then eventually he just said 5. So I did get it for 5. I tried to offer him 7. He was like, no, I'm sorry for your hassle, take 5. We'll do 5. Weird. This place has definitely changed in the past few months since I've been here last, which is upsetting. It's a really close yard to home, so it sucks that I can't come here and get really cheap parts, but I'll still keep coming and, you know, just working with the guy on the price, because that's insane. The prices he was trying to get are what I could pay for it online and not pull it myself, so that's the only reason I did that. I don't normally like to lowball people, but that wasn't really a lowball. But anyway, we got the part. I'm going to put it in now since I got the rest of the day to kill since they didn't have any cars here. Alright, part searching for the Blazer continues. We're out here at A to Z now. I'm just looking through the foreign stuff quickly. I don't need anything from it. It's kind of ironic. There was an Accord with the right interior. About a year ago now, I came here looking for an Accord with this interior for seats. This one wouldn't help me anyway. They have a lot of the same stuff that was here a year ago when I was here last. But look at this. This is new. It's got the same little paint cracking thing that's going on with the Prelude. I believe this is an 89. 84. Wow. Alright. This seems like it's gotten wet a few times. Pretty much all the parts are still here. It looks like someone was trying to get to the gauge cluster at one point, but they didn't succeed, or they stopped. Headliners toast. Wow, they were putting cloth headliners in these things in '84. The seats are in great shape. This is sad to see here. This was a good little car that someone put in here. But if anyone needs parts for one of these, Honda speakers. even the back. Like, this is a junkyard car I'd sit in. It's so nice. It's comfy back here. Very comfy. Headliner sagging a bit. I've never been in one of these, but it's very nice. It's so sad that it's here. Actually take some parts from this. They're just in such good shape. This car is perfect. I'm so sad that someone did this to it. Color on this Trailblazer. Obviously aftermarket, but kind of neat. It looks really well done. Apart from the bumpers. Bumpers look like shit because the pearlescent part doesn't show on the bumpers. Kind of a cool idea though. If they didn't paint all of the, it was originally tan. If they didn't paint all of the plastic, it would have worked out really well. Yeah, really excited about this seat here, but I don't think it's gonna work. I think the design's just a tad bit different than what mine is. Literally just a tad. Not even too much different about it. Just it's slightly off. Also, I don't even, oh, it's got a rip in it too. Okay. Alright, that makes things really easy. Let's move on. Really hoping the rain doesn't come back on us here. It's not looking too good out there. Something. I got a vent I needed from this old S10. Got the little jump seats back there. Look at that. It was cool. Alright, let's see if there's anything else. We're almost at the end of the section now, so I'd be a little pissed if this is all I get today, but still, it's better than nothing. Well, this Blazer's definitely seen better days. I don't even know how the hell that happened. Looks like something shot through. It's got a Ford manual in it. Yeah. There should be some other Blazers back here, though, if I remember right. I think my luck has turned up here. We've got my generation Blazer. Is it a black interior? Wow. Okay. Well, forget what I said about my luck turning up. This thing's been stripped. Every part I would have needed out of this is gone. Wow. That's very annoying. Let's go see. Oh, it does have its front grille though still. Never mind. This front grille is amazing. No cracks, no anything. Yeah, this is coming home with me. So, front grille with a good emblem and no cracks. It's 2 bolts there, 4 up here, and then the clips on the side, which are garbage GM clips. I didn't break that one. I broke that one, but didn't break that one. So I'll be able to pop it back on mine then when we get home. But yeah, that's all for this Blazer since the interior is stripped. It's nothing like a nice little sunset at the U-Pull yard. We got one more here. Ripped at the same spot. These seats are different than those other seats that we were looking at. It's a different color. Mine's black, so this is not going to work. That really sucks, because if this would have worked, there's a rear piece that mine is broken on. But no, I'm not going to go for it if it's not the right one. So we'll move on up and out from this one at least and just go check. I think it's just that we have to check, and the rest up in here, and then we're going. Old GMC Jimmy? No, Blazer, but with a GMC front grille. Yeah, this is a Blazer. Seat's in good condition, but it is tan, and the interior is tan, so it's not going to be any help to us. It also has that part back there. Damn, this sucks. Oh well. Yeah, it really sucks that there's a good seat that's not the right color. Those I'm not messing with. Well, they're not Blazers anyway. Quick look behind here. No more Trailblazers that I'm seeing. And I think the other section's all vans, so I mean we still got a grill out of this trip, so I'm not gonna complain, and I think next weekend I'm gonna try to get out to a big yard that I know for a fact has a lot of blazers. Alright, this is yard number 3, Grebel. I don't think I've ever made a video here. I don't come out here often, it's an hour away from my house. S class on the way up. Big S class. Look back here, you got those vanity mirrors. Oh, this one's broken. That one works over there. Vanity mirrors for the rear passenger. Seats all messed up, wow. The front seats look good though. Be a good candidate for seats for someone. There's carpet. Someone tried to pull the carpet, it looked like. Still got that infotainment screen and all that. Steering wheel over there. Pretty good shape. But obviously, it was put here for something, probably engine-wise. Rusty fenders. Big V8. But yeah, might come back to that. Blazer. Nothing we need off of it. I looked at the bumper on it because I was just curious. It had a dent in the same spot, so good thing I got the other one at Harry's. I actually don't think I caught that on video, but yeah, I did get one at Harry's. Look at that, pretty clean. I don't know what someone tried to do here. But alright, the loaders are listening to some good music today. The seats are in really good shape though. Look at that. Same one over there. I'm sure back here too. Rusty though. Probably would put it in here. But yeah, seats are in great shape. Anyway, we're out here at the SUV section. We're just gonna keep on going. Cloth seats ripped in the same spot. Oh, and of course the back piece I need is gone. They got a vent in the right color, since apparently that vent I got at A to Z wasn't the right color. Looking back here, actually they do have that part I need, but it's been sitting out here. No, it's not the part I need, it's a different type. Apparently this didn't, the Jimmys didn't split like the Blazers did. It has no shocks left. Someone propped the van door underneath it. Probably tried to get that wheel and tire right there. Rusty as can be, holy shit. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, take a look in the back. Same deal. Alright, I'm gonna go grab that vent over there because I do need it. Over here, we've got this white Jimmy, which I think has been here before. I just haven't had a need for it because I haven't had a Blazer or a Jimmy. White line. Active, more grip. Huh. Wow, I felt like that door was just about to fly right off. Same seats. These ones are in good shape. However, it's not. Oh, that does have the rear trim piece that I need. Cool. Same vent. So I'll just grab the vent from this one. Leave that one alone over there. Oh, we got another Blazer here. There's one of the wheels from the Jimmy. I'm hoping to find those center caps I need today. Good Blazer. Blazer's pretty cool. Seats are in good shape. I want to get one of these square body style Blazers at some point. I don't know when. Alright, so this is what I gotta do here. First off, I'd like to get this stuff out of the way. Here's some cup holders. Wrong color, we're not taking them. Oh my gosh, so much stuff back here. Alright, now, this thing out. It's in my way. What is this? Original storage instructions. This thing's pretty clean. If we look here, it's pretty nice. Anyway, oh man, this is broken. It's not terrible, but no, it's broken there too. Dang, that isn't terrible, but I don't know. I think I might try to come back to it. I'm trying to find something perfect, and that's not it. So, if I need it, I'll come back. Other than that, I think I got everything. That bin up there. for a fact is new here because I would have remembered this. Get in, sit down, shut up, and hang on. Yeah, that sounds about right. I want to know if someone at the yard did this. That they really crammed them in here. Oh wow, the tire mount was for this. That's kind of cool. Mission barbecue. Fuel off-road. That's so weird. Really crammed it against the Suburban here. This radio just chilling there from a Murano. Oh, yeah, that's kind of cool. Must have been a blast before they got rid of it. This Jeep is pretty cool. This thing hasn't been here before. It's pretty rotted. Actually, the frame looks kind of good though. That's pretty cool. Good looking Jeep. Side S10. I swore these beds were made out of plastic, but I guess not. I like the little flare side though. Style Blazer here. It was my generation, but it's got like the two-tone stuff going on. I think it's one of the first ones to do that. I kind of dig it. Of course, black interior, but not leather seats. Does have that rear piece I need. There's a purple Blazer over there too. Let's take a look at that first. My generation. Cloth seat. Cloth seats and interior too. Or hopefully whatever that is. Alright, so let's hop up in this one. Oh god. I'm gonna go on the other side. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't know what all that is for, but I got the spare. It's not a Jeep, so spares don't belong back here. This one has no cracks, so I think I would go with this one. Let me get the spare out of here. I'm not sure if I am able to get this out of here or not without opening it. I'm going to start with taking these Phillips head screws off to get this handle off. Go from there. Good thing here, this thing's got keys, so I might be able to pop this rear hatch. I'm going to go try it now. Get out of here without dying. You can't find one? It's in there. Try to see. I don't know how this works. Prying at the latch down here to get it to pop off this glass. I finally got this, and this piece is ready to come out. If you see mine, I don't know if I've shown on a video before, it's got a big crack and it's just missing pieces here. So I'll take some scratches over that. Yeah, it's just 2 screws on each of these sides and it just pops right off. I'm not going to put that hatch back up in case anyone needs anything out of it like that again. Or I'll probably put the hatch up and just leave the glass popped. Make it easy for someone. They don't really do that out here. All these cars with hatches, like that's got a hatch as well, obviously. Yeah, they don't really pop it. They leave that up to you. Alright, we got many more rows to go now. One. Alright, see, it's got cloth seats. And they're in good shape too. Like all these with cloth seats are in good shape. And the leather one, I'm not swapping mine from leather to cloth. Leather's going to be a selling point for it. Blazer here. Oh look, this one's got tan leather and it's in good shape. Actually, the passenger side is black. This is the only seat that's tan in here, is the driver's side. The rest of them were black. This literally had my interior. And it was just the driver's side, the seat that I needed. That was gone. And swapped that with this shit. And I don't think, God damn it. I don't think that I'm able to swap passenger. No, I can't do that. Doesn't matter, because this door, there we go. Oh, and the passenger sides are ripped up too. Okay. So, this is a yard where saws aren't allowed, which really begs me to question how this was done. Or why this was done. It wasn't an accident, so it's not like the jaws of life came and did it. I don't know. Maybe it rolled. What I've seen here today. Finding a lot with the color bumper I needed. Most of the bumpers are in the same shape though, so I'm not too upset. Blazer here. Obviously, not the right seats. Trying to find out what happened to this thing. Why is it here? Looks like it probably got into an accident. These plastic? No. No, they're just textured metal. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Put this thing here. Strange. It's nice. This is new. It was bright and sunny when we got here. We've been here for about an hour and a half now, so got some more time today. It's nice to not be in the sun. It would be nice if I had cloth white blazer, just like mine. Actually, I'm feeling like I've seen this thing already. I guess not. Might grab, it's all faded. I'd rather have mine with its white screw in it. Or not white screw in it. It's not a white screw at all. I don't even know how these things come out, if they just pop off or what. But yeah, mine's got a wood screw in it, so if that wasn't so messed up and faded, I would have grabbed it. A wheel here, none of the style I need. I like this color though on this one. Obviously it's a newer one, so I don't think it's going to have anything. No. Interestingly colored Jimmy, and then a blazer here. Let's look at the blazer first. Cloth, of course. Oh, and that's what's supposed to go into my game. So it is a CD holder. See if I can get all that out of it. Yeah, I guess I'll take this. It looks better than that. Then I'm sure she will get a kick out of it. Looks like someone cut out the rocker panels already. This thing was clean, on the outside at least. That same cloth interior, so of no help to me whatsoever. But pretty cool looking. I'll give it that. I love the two doors. I want one at one point. I would not mind a purple one either. I'd rock that all day long. Two-door blazer here with some interesting pinstripes. It's not an SS. It was a stick though, which is pretty cool. One we've got this blue one. Oh, and that one down there has the right center caps. However, they're dirty as can be. I don't know, I'll go take a look at it. If it's just brake dust, I can clean it. Cloth seats, of course. Ain't that an odd color? Pink S10. I'd say this is probably the same year as my blazer. Yeah, probably. Someone took the whole dash out of it. I don't know what they were trying to accomplish with that. I dig the pink. It's different. It's weird. Things about this yard is that view. It's amazing. See for miles out there. Same to see here, really clean paint and all that. A little bit of rust though. But look at the inside. Look at this. Clean. No saggy headliner. Radio is still there. Everything's there. Let's come through this thing yet. There's a key. That's clean. Good view out there. Rolling hills. I love it here. All around. Jimmy here. Cloth, man, blue cloth in this one with some conversion style wood. I don't know if someone just threw that in or what. That does not look OEM though. Staples of this yard. The Pontiac Aztec Pirates Edition. Well, anything Pittsburgh edition apparently. Oh, someone broke the back glass. I think there's two Aztecs here. This and one other that we saw earlier. Look at this. Obviously, no parts in it. Here's our blazer. Blazer with cloth interior. Section here now. Look at this. I don't know what would make someone want to do that to their truck. But and they painted the outside too. Disgusting. At the very end here, we finally find one with a black leather interior, and it's ripped. I'm gonna have to get mine reupholstered, I think. And it's just one seat, so it shouldn't be too much. I did pick up some floor mats GM floor mats out of an S10. Tie that big hole in the carpet. Well, I don't know if I call that success, kind of a waste of a drive, but we came out here, got a few parts, a few more things I needed, so not a complete waste, but like I said, that seat, I'm gonna have to just get that reupholstered, and the center caps are impossible to find. That's why you find them online for like $100, and I'm not spending that kind of money. I'll just spray them with some clear, let them sit how they are, and yeah, see how it goes. But yeah, anyway, on to the next bit. Alright, it's been a while since I made a video or did anything with this at all. It's been about 3-4 months since I picked it up. Yeah, I'm not putting the transmission in. I'm pretty sure it's just a torque converter is what it needs. I really assumed that there would be a lot more shops willing to be able to do that kind of work, but apparently no. Nobody wants to work in this day and age. So shops are without employees. They don't want to tie up the bay with a job like this. I don't have a garage, I don't have a lift, I don't have anything to do it myself. I would do it myself if I had the means and the tools to do it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it perfectly ready in every other aspect. It is a perfectly good running car. It's in great cosmetic shape. I'm going to clean up the few things that it needs cosmetically and get it ready for someone else to put the transmission in it. Someone else can do that job. I'm going to be selling it cheap right now. Cheap enough for them to do it, make some money on their end, not be a loss on my end, hopefully, and hopefully still save this vehicle from the crusher. That's the plan. So you can see I've got a couple things masked off right now. The tape stays. It's a little warm today. It's 55, which is warm for wintertime still, but I'm going to spray these black again. Spray the hitch black. I was going to take the hitch off. I'm just going to spray the rust that's on there already to kind of mask it up, make it look better. Spray this side. Someone else can take the hitch off if they really want to. You could probably still tow small amounts. I wouldn't tow an actual trailer with it. Tow like cargo racks and stuff like that. The little tow hitches up front, just spray them black. Stop them from rusting. And then the rest of this trim, I was going to try to do something with this peeling chrome, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that now. I'm just going to be giving it a good bath, buffing up this hood, because this hood is really dull. Probably going to buff the whole car. Roof is alright. I'll probably leave the roof, just give it a good scrubbing. As you can see, we fixed the seat. Well, we kind of half-assed it, but it looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than a big hole right here. Material's somewhat close, you know. It's noticeable, but it looks better than a hole. I put some padding back in there again. The seats are really comfortable. I still love this seat. It's a really comfortable car. Other than that, the interior is pretty good. I gotta glue this mirror back up there, and then I'll do a quick detail in here. It doesn't need much. Quick vacuum. Still got those OEM GM floor mats in here. Same with the back. Everything's about the same back here. Trunk too. I mean, everything's really good condition wise. No rust. So I don't have to do much at this point other than clean it up and make it ready for someone else. Make it more appealing for someone else to put the transmission in it. Alright, we got first coat down here. I hope that's all I really need, because I don't got that much left in the can. Can barely even really see the tow hitch because of how sunny it is out here right now. Got those little side corner things looking black again. They always chip on these things. They're just like, I don't even know what they are. They're like foam almost. Front tow hooks. A little bit of overspray, unfortunately, but you know, it is what it is. Not really that noticeable, but it looks pretty good. I think, at least. I think it's the subtle little things like that that make people like it. All right, I put some new windshield wipers on her, front and back, because if you remember, they all were gone. Actually, the back didn't even have one. But yeah, so paint's dry. It looks pretty good all around. I'm gonna start detailing it now and get some pictures of her then. I know some of you are not going to agree with me trying to sell it without the transmission being done, but you know what? Life's moving on. So I'm going to do everything I can do on this, which would be cleaning up, the car. I fixed the seat over there. The rest of it's clean. I put these floor mats in here because the carpet's a little messed up, but these are OEM GM floor mats. That's what it would have gotten from the factory. It still has its owner's manual. Like, it's a good vehicle. Someone will be able to put the transmission in, not me right now in my point in life. I mean, within the next month, I could be leasing a house up in Williamsport. Not leasing, renting, but I'd be signing a lease contract. Technically the same thing. So I need to get things moved out from this property, including the Prelude. Prelude's next up to probably get sold. The Jeep would be coming with me, but everything's got to start getting moved out from this property, my parents' property, and it's going to be getting moved up to my property whenever I get one up there, which is going to be soon. And just the fact I'm going to college in the next year, life is picking up pretty quickly, and I need to keep up with the speed, which means I'm not really able to finish this project to perfection, but I'm going to finish it to my best of my ability. Well, gave it a little wash on the outside, just finished that. Still got to do the hood, polish the hood up. I'm probably going to polish the two fenders too because they're all dulling. The roof is actually in good shape though. I mean, normally, the white paint's normally gone on these, but it's in good shape. Inside, got to do a quick cleaning here too. Vacuum, shine up everything. I'm probably not going to shine the leather, just because this leather looks particularly disgusting when it's shined up. So, alright, so I finished right in the nick of time here. Just about to get dark, but you can see she turned out quite nicely. Really upsetting that I'm not able to get this thing running and driving, but someone will be able to do it, and they'll have a really good looking truck when they're done. See inside, we got it all freshened up, looking good. Like I said, I didn't really dress the seats with anything because this type of leather starts to look really grungy when you put leather conditioner on it. And they're in good shape anyway. Yeah, everything just follows through. Looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Same thing in the back. Got the door jambs all cleaned out. Back's looking really good. Pretty dark now, but yeah, like I said, I finished right in time. And then trunk's the same situation. So yeah, I'm gonna end up listing it tonight, and we'll see if I'm able to get anywhere close to where I want to be. Number wise for this truck, I'd like to get 1,000 for it, considering I have about 800 into it with parts I've put into it and stuff like that to actually make it so it really only needs a transmission. I'm not making much, but I'm getting it off my hands, which is the big thing I need to do here. But she's a good looking truck, I will give her that. So I don't know if you can really see too well out there, but I just sold the Blazer. Yeah, it was a pretty quick sale. Within 24 hours I had like 1,200 views, 80 saves, something like that. So this is the next day here, it's gone. And I'm quite happy. I made some good money off of it still. I listed it for 1,200. Remember, I bought it for 500. I put about 300 into it, including the title transfer. So all said and done, I've made about 400 bucks, 400 or 500 bucks. That's pretty dang good in my opinion for a truck I didn't have to do much to other than, you know, fix a couple things on the interior. So I'm happy. This guy buying it is a dealer. He's quite happy because he's got himself a new toy to play with and something to sell. All is right with the world, and on to the next project. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more. I know it wasn't what we were trying to get out of it, but hopefully still you learned something about flipping cars. You don't always make them perfect, you don't always win. We still won. We didn't make the car perfect, but we won. So on to the next one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.